Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Kiara Tingson, your creative virtual assistant. Now, it's been a year since I made a YouTube tutorial on my channel. I know, I'm so sorry guys. And I believe I have something to share with you again since I've been seeing this as a trend on new entrepreneurs and current business owners. So, it is in demand for virtual assistants to know this type of skill. So, what skill is this? It is creating a podcast, editing a podcast, or creating an audiogram. So, what I'll be sharing to you guys today is about audiogram. Audiogram is a teaser for your podcast, a short or a minute 30 seconds, something like that, of your audio, which is an introduction on what about you are talking to your podcast. For you to be interactive, to gain more listeners to your podcast, you need this one. Creating audiogram will help your client gain more followers and also gain more listeners to your podcast. So, what are we waiting for? So, let's get started. So, hello guys. So, this is where you can create your very own audiogram without other watermarks as well for free. But take note, this Headliner app will give you up to 5 videos or 5 audiograms without watermark for free. What do I like with Headliner? So Headliner has the feature of creating your audio with waveform. So when you speak or when there's a sound, the waveform will move according to your voice. So that is more interactive and more engaging to look when you're posting an audiogram. So let's try this one, okay? I'll show it to you. So let's get started. So once you created your account with Headliner, you'll be jump into this section. So since we are making an audiogram, I will choose this one. Okay, so wait for it to load. So here, you can search your podcast or your recordings before, and also the other way where you can upload your audio. But I would choose this one since I have my own audio, and here goes. Let's upload. Okay. So you can upload these different types of forms. So what I like with Headliner as well is you can add captions to your videos. This could help to engage or to be more helpful with your audience, especially when people who are viewing would like to read while listening. So here it goes. It will automatically transcribe your audio. Okay. So I'll just give a sample. Hello there. Thank you for clicking the play button. This okay. So there you go. Let's click next. Oh. So I'll be using a square ratio for this ones because I'll be posting this for our Instagram account and also on Facebook. Okay. So this will be my title. I'll just try audiogram sample. There you go. Then let's see what are their templates. Oh, there you go. They have different templates here. They have for free and the ones with pro. So if you don't like to edit more video to edit, or you're lacking with graphic skills, this could help you. But here I would like to use my own. So here we go. So we are about to customize our audiogram, which is the background of your audiogram. What can you use? You can create one with Canva or upload your image. So this one, you can see here, you can create with Canva from Headliner. You'll be directed to Canva, but for now, I already created mine. I prepared my, so this is one. I'll be using this one. Okay. Then I will choose a waveform. These are the different options for you. You can do this, and this is great for images with circle frames for your client, but I'll be using this one for now. Here we go, and place it here. Alright, then waveform. Okay, here you can change the color, but I would prefer this one, the black one, since it's okay with my theme. Then text, no need. Let's see the text. Okay, no need for that because we already have our own text with our template. So let's create. Then here you can also, if you're happy with this one, you can already export it, but I would like to edit it more. So here's the option. Let's wait for it to load. So I wanted to edit because I want to see the captions on how are they placed and how are they accurately transcript my voice, because sometimes transcripting your voice by automatic generation, sometimes you're mispronouncing words, or they can't understand the words you're saying, and they're transcripting it wrong. So let's see. Oh, hello there. Thank you for clicking the play button. This video is a sample of an audiogram. Would you like to know? Oh, there you go. So let's see. Let's move this one. Okay. I would like to edit this with exclamation point. Thank you for clicking the play button. This video is sample of an audiogram. Would you like to know how I created? Please jump into my YouTube channel. Oh, here you go. So my YouTube channel is Cara Creatives TV. So it's Care. It became Care. Kiara. Actually, it's Kiara. How I could make this one too. And see you there. I would like to change this here to learn. There you go. Then let's see. Hello there. Thank you for clicking the play button. Okay, let's wait for it to load. See you there. Okay. So here is, okay, let me move this one. Okay, this is the media, which is our file. Next, this is the audio. Okay. Then, I would like to feed in. Okay. Then, let's see. Um, the waveform. This is the waveform. You can edit it if you like. Just like that. Okay. And I'm already satisfied with that. Okay. I think I need
Hello
to...
there! Thank you for clicking the play button. This video is a sample of an audiogram. Would you
Okay. Let's try to make it a little bit bigger so they can appreciate that there's an audio with your, or there's a waveform with your audio, with your uh, graphic. Let's try it again.
Oh, hello there! Thank you for clicking the play button. This video is a sample of an audiogram. Would you like to know how I...
Okay, so here, let's see. Okay, I would like to edit
Would you like to know how
my
I created...
I would like to edit the position of my captions or transcription, which is we have to click this one, text animation, or here go. I would like it to make it more down. Here you can custom the colors, but I'm already satisfied with this one. So it's time for us to export the video. Okay, let's play it one more time.
Video is a sample of an audiogram. Would you like to know how I created this? Jump into my YouTube channel at Cara Creatives TV to learn how you could make this one too. See you there! Oh, hello there! Thank you for clicking the play button. This video is a sample of an audiogram.
Okay, so I'll be exporting this one. I'm already satisfied. So as you can see, I still have 4 videos because I tried this one before, because the interface has been changed and there's a lot of changes because it's been a year now since I used this headliner. So before, they said this is all free, I believe it is up to 10 audios or audiogram without the watermark, but now they are already selling it, or they have a plan for this one, and you are only limited to 5. But what is good for this is you are exporting a video or an audiogram without watermark, and that is 5 for free. So if you're having an episode or you don't have a regular episode yet, this plan is good for you, or this app is good for you. um, so basically, it's a win-win situation, right? So if you would like to try Headliner, please jump into headliner.app and have it a try for yourself, and use it according to your needs, because you are only limited to 5 for free accounts. Okay. Okay, so let's try to export my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial, and I hope this also help you to add another skills and make your social media more engaging, especially with audiogram. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to create an audiogram. If you think you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. who you think will benefit from this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell for you to be notified on our next video tutorials. Again, this is Kiara Tingsan of Kiara Creatives TV. Thank you for watching.